Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to restore backup from Google Drive. Also, if you want to know how to be more productive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to restore backup from Google Drive. So go to Google Drive and use the search bar to look for specific files. Browse through My Drive, Shared with Me or Recent sections to find your files. If you have deleted files and want to restore them, go to the trash on the left hand sidebar and select the files and click Restore to bring them back. And that's it, alright. So all in all, this is how to restore backup from Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.